Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how to do a brick. And I got this from my own director, and so I wanted to show you guys because it was very, very simple. Okay, so the brick, as you guys may already know, is something a little bigger, or a lot bigger I should say. It's about 5.5 of these. This is a regular bar, okay, see the depth, and this is a brick. See the depth? Yes. So sometimes they're a little hard to pop out because they are just so big, okay? And here is how we do it. This one we got at the family reunion, our yearly convention for Scentsy. This is the one that we just recently got, 2018, One Magical Moment, at Anaheim, when they announced our partnership with Disney. So we got this brick, and so the way that she explained, you go through and with a plastic knife like this one, you just cut through the lines. This one I've already cut one more, and you cut through the lines, and then you cut across like here through the lines, and then you simply pop them out, and they will pop out. Oh, I'm going to flip it so you can see it. Maybe it's a little bit more difficult than I thought. It's a little soft, so I'm having a little bit of, oh no, there it comes. So you just move it a little bit, and here comes a whole, oh, did not cut this, a whole cube. See how pretty that is? Gorgeous. I had already cut a little bit because that's where I'm going to do the other cut for giving these out. Okay, if you have not received a sample of this, let me know if you are interested in getting into my VIP club. But that's it, guys. It pops right out, and then I have, with the same knife, with the same plastic knife here, I have went and did the cuts all the way through.